Before I get into the how Pharmaminds has helped me, I just want to say something to those who are commenting without knowing the background, because it is really I know that things are happening, like we ranks are being purchased. Like I'm not going to mention anybody or anyone specific. Things are happening like that, but it doesn't mean that everyone does that. Because where genuine efforts are there, and if you are commenting so without any background research, it really hurts a lot. And I can understand academy. And the one thing I want to clear to everybody is that all the academies which claim my results have owe their part in my result. Definitely, they have some part in my result, and I am giving my results only to those academies which has played at least minimal role. But the kind of role they played, I know what kind of role they played, what major chunk of role each and every platforms played. So in the if you people want to know which academy played more part, or what kind of advantages I got from each and everything, you can contact me personally. That's the
I again and again I'm keep on stressing this word. Pharmaminds is my homeground for my Gpat preparation. Because here is the connect with Pharmaminds is more than just a course. It's like a family. We are the bond which we share is like a family, and the way we get. So academically speaking, like the notes, the test series were all to the point, and it was really helpful for me.